This 2021 Grand Design Imagine 3250BH2BDRM triple slide bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, skylight, slideout, air conditioning, TV, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine 3250BH2BDRM triple slide bunkhouse is 8,706 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.